Do we really love God? Sana po, wag yung tanong na sinabi po rito na sabi ni Lord, I have loved you. But they said, how? Oh my goodness. I mean, instead of saying, yes, Lord, you have loved us to the end. And yet, ang narinig pa po ni Lord sa kanila, how have you loved us? Paano mo kami minahal? But then God started to look into the every corner and every facet of their worship. And then God says, my conclusion, sabi ni Lord, mas maganda pang isara nyo na lang ang pinto. And that's why in that church that God called lukewarm, He said, I stand at the door and I knock. Whoever opens the door, sino magbukas, papasok ako, sabi ng Panginoon. That's not for unbeliever. Ang kausap po ni Lord doon, mananampalataya sila. Ibig sabihin, they're gathering, they're praying, they're singing, pero wala pala si Lord sa loob. He is outside. And He's knocking. Who knows, mga kapatid, that this morning, God may be knocking in the doors of our church and in the doors of our heart and asking us, do you honor me? Do you fear me? Am I a great king to you? Am I revered? Let's ask, mga kapatid, these questions. Is Covenant of Grace a church that worship God as a great king? Is this what is reflected in our worship and lives? And I'm not talking only on Sunday, mga kapatid. Even as you leave the place today, is there a connection with our worship and the way we live our lives? So, I think it would be nice. It would be nice to remind each one of us. Pagka medyo po nakikita na natin na parang bumabalik tayo sa ganitong uri ng pagsamba, just remind everyone. Say to one another, Malakaywan. Malakaywan. Right? Then you will be reminded of this message. And like what I said, the Lord wants to bless us. The Lord wants to reveal more of Himself sa atin. How great is the purpose. The world will deceive you, saying, oh, there are more pleasures out there. No. There are more pleasures in God's presence. And if we will truly fear God and honor God and offer God the best, not the leftover. Oh my goodness, sabi ni Lord, won't I open the windows of heaven and pour down a blessing until there will be no more place for you to put the blessing of God. Then, sabi ni Lord, then all nations will call you blessed, for you will be a people of delight, says the Lord.